Leo's super colorful adventure. Leo wore a bright blue shirt and black trousers. In the morning, he enjoyed a juicy red apple. Then he spotted a beautiful pink flower in the garden under the bright yellow sun. He looked up at the clear blue sky with fluffy white clouds. He slung his orange bag over his shoulder. Soon he hopped onto a cheerful yellow bus and traveled along the gray road to school. At school, he had fun playing with a bouncy purple ball. Later, he drew a tall brown tree with fresh green leaves in his notebook. In the evening, his dad picked him up in a shiny black car. What a bright and colorful day Leo had!